Rug pull. A rug pull occurs when developers of a crypto project create hype, attract investors to buy their token, and then suddenly withdraw all the funds, leaving investors with worthless tokens. Staking. Staking is when users lock their cryptocurrency in a wallet to support blockchain network operations, like validating transactions or securing the network. In return, stakers earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. Liquidity. Liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold in the market without significantly affecting its price. For example, Bitcoin has high liquidity because it is widely traded and can be quickly converted into cash or other cryptocurrencies. Blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized and transparent ledger that records all transactions made across a network. For example, Bitcoin's blockchain ensures every BTC transaction is publicly recorded, secure, and tamper-proof, making it a cornerstone of cryptocurrency. Smart contract. Smart contracts are self-executing programs on a blockchain that automatically enforce agreements when certain conditions are met. For example, on Ethereum, a smart contract can release payment to a freelancer automatically when a project is marked as complete. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is a blockchain-based financial system that eliminates the need for banks or intermediaries. For example, platforms like Aave allow users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies directly from each other, earning interest or accessing funds without traditional banking. Mining. Mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain by solving complex mathematical problems. For example, Bitcoin miners use powerful computers to compete for rewards in BTC, ensuring the network remains secure and operational. Wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital tool that allows users to store, send, and receive crypto securely. For example, MetaMask is a popular wallet where you can manage Ethereum and other tokens directly from your browser or mobile app. Token. A token is a digital asset created on a blockchain that can represent value, utility, or even ownership. For example, USDT is a stablecoin token pegged to the US dollar, while other tokens might give access to specific services or governance rights in a project. Gas fees. Gas fees are transaction costs paid to blockchain miners or validators for processing and securing operations. For example, when using Ethereum, users pay gas fees to execute a transaction or interact with a smart contract, with fees fluctuating based on network demand. NFT, or non-fungible token. An NFT is a unique digital asset that represents ownership of items like art, music, or collectibles stored on the blockchain. For example, owning an NFT like a Bored Ape Yacht Club token proves you own the original digital artwork, verified on the blockchain. Altcoin. An altcoin is any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, often created to improve upon Bitcoin's technology. For example, Ethereum is an altcoin that offers advanced features like smart contracts and decentralized applications. ICO, or Initial Coin Offering. An ICO is a crowdfunding method for crypto projects where investors buy newly created tokens to support the development of the project. For example, Ethereum raised funds through an ICO in 2014, selling ETH tokens to early supporters. HODL. HODL is a slang term in the crypto community meaning to hold onto cryptocurrency for the long term, regardless of market volatility. For example, many Bitcoin investors who HODLed since 2010 have seen massive returns on their patience. Private key. A private key is a secret code that gives access to your cryptocurrency, much like a password. Public key. A public key is like your bank account number. It's the address you share with others to receive cryptocurrency. Ledger. A ledger in cryptocurrency refers to the record of all transactions that have occurred on a blockchain. Proof of work, or POW. Proof of work is a consensus mechanism where miners solve mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the blockchain. For example, Bitcoin's proof of work system requires significant computational power, making it secure but energy-intensive. Proof of stake, or POS. Proof of stake is a consensus mechanism where validators lock up cryptocurrency as collateral to validate transactions. For example, Ethereum transitioned to POS to reduce energy consumption while maintaining network security. Fork. A fork occurs when a blockchain splits into two versions due to disagreements among developers. For example, Bitcoin Cash was created in 2017 as a fork of Bitcoin, offering larger block sizes for faster transactions. Decentralized exchange, or DEX. A DEX is a platform where users can trade cryptocurrencies directly without intermediaries. For example, Uniswap allows users to swap tokens securely without relying on a central authority to hold funds. Stablecoin. A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to assets like fiat currency. Whale. A whale refers to an individual or entity holding a large amount of cryptocurrency. For example, a Bitcoin whale might influence the market by buying or selling significant amounts of BTC. Pump and dump. Pump and dump schemes involve artificially inflating a cryptocurrency's price through hype, only to sell off holdings at a profit. Hash. A hash is a unique fixed-length code generated from data used to secure transactions on the blockchain. Airdrop. An airdrop is when free cryptocurrency is distributed to users, often as a promotional tool. For example, some DeFi projects airdrop tokens to early adopters to reward them and encourage platform use. Yield farming. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to DeFi protocols to earn rewards. For example, depositing tokens into a Uniswap liquidity pool lets you earn fees and sometimes additional token rewards. Token burn. Token burning is when a cryptocurrency project permanently removes tokens from circulation to reduce supply. Cold wallet. A cold wallet is an offline cryptocurrency storage solution that protects against hacking. Market capitalization. Market cap is the total value of a cryptocurrency, calculated by multiplying its price by its circulating supply. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, please leave a like on the video, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.